Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome again. You've probably said this phrase, A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim, thousands of times. Today, we are going to do a simple, beginner-friendly, word-by-word breakdown. By the end of this video, you won't just memorize the translation, you will actually understand how the grammar works. Let's jump right in. The phrase begins with A'udh, meaning I seek refuge. It is a present imperfect verb. In Arabic, we call it fel mudare. Grammatically, the verb is first person male, female singular. Now, let's geek out on some basic Arabic morphology, how words are actually born. In Arabic, almost every single word is born from a three-letter DNA strand called a root. The root for a'udu are a, wa, dhath. Together, the root a, wa, the carries the core meaning of seeking protection or taking shelter. You can find core meaning of any root letters from the Arabic dictionary. Let's see how actually the word a'udhu is formed. The root letters for a'udhu is ayin, wa, za. Form one verb, present tense pattern for this specific root is yansuru. After plugging the root letters into the yansuru pattern, we get our wudh. Notice here, the first root letter ayin has a sukun, and the second root letter carries a dhamma. In Arabic morphology, weak letter waw or ya, carrying a short vowel dhamma, fata, or kesra, immediately preceded by a consonant with a sukun is considered phonetically heavy and unstable. So the rule of hollow verbs is applied here. The rule is, if weak letter carrying vowel is preceded by consonant with sukun on it, then the vowel on the weak letter is transferred to the consonant. So we take dhamma away from wa and place it on the ayin. The final form we get is arudhu. Here, hamza in the beginning of arudhu is acting as the doer, giving the full meaning as I seek refuge. The second word in the phrase is billahi. It's a prepositional phrase, jar majroor phrase, meaning in Allah. It is actually two words fused together. Harf jar bi, meaning in, by, or with. Allahi, the proper name of God. Notice how the last letter of Allah makes an E sound, Allahi. In Arabic grammar, the rule is when a noun follows a preposition like bi, its ending changes to a kasra. The third word in the phrase is min. It is a preposition. Usually, this word is pronounced min, but because the next word starts with a silent letter, Arabic smoothly changes it to mina, so it flows naturally off the tongue without a clunky pause. The fourth word in the phrase is ash shaitani. It is a definite noun, meaning the, Satan. Root letters are sh, tat, n, meaning to be distant, remote, or to go far away. The word has two parts, al, which means the, and shaitan means devil. Ash. Shaitani has kesra in its end because it is majroor for harf jarmin. The last word in the phrase is ar-rajim. It's an adjective, and it's definite, meaning the outcast, expelled. Ar-rajim is an adjective, sifa, describing the shaitan. In Arabic, adjectives come after the word they describe, and they must match it perfectly in terms of definiteness, case endings, gender, and number. Because ash-shaitan has al and ends in an e sound, ar-rajim must also have al and end in an e sound. So, the complete meaning of A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim is I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. Learning A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim is more than memorizing Arabic words. It protects your heart and mind. This phrase builds awareness of Allah's presence and reminds you that true safety lies in His refuge. Hope the video helped you to understand the simple grammar behind it. Jazakallah khair for watching.